What's going on, my beautiful YouTube dolls and divas? You see the before. She has had S&P. She has a nice amount of fuzz and the crown a little bit, but she has a nice amount of hair loss, majority in the front and her top. So we're going to go ahead and clean the rest of this canvas so we can apply the curly non-surgical hair loss replacement. We are going to do a cranial prosthesis and a curly texture to give her something that's easy, low maintenance, and looks like it's growing out of her scalp. So right now we went ahead and already applied it. I'm just securing those, corners, edges. And now I'm going through with my little concealer and spraying it wet and doing the cut. Now, how you go about cutting a hair replacement is not the same as cutting regular tresses. Trust me, okay? Trust me. Adding a little bit of composure, giving her some details, blending in that back. You cannot tell me this is not hers. You cannot tell me that these curls was not all growing on her scalp. Did you know it's so many different textures that you can go ahead and look into when it comes to these non-surgical hair loss replacements? I'm just saying. You ain't always got to go ahead and go straight and pixie. We ain't always got to go low wave unit. I want to go ahead and give you something curly and cute. Giving her little Betty Boo, little details and all that good jazz. She was definitely a beautiful personality, and just being able to have the gift to bless this beautiful diva is something that I never expected to have when it pertains to my hair career. But God has blessed my hands, and we are blessed with these beautiful curls. Look at that scalp. Look at the scalp, okay? Is it coming out her head? Yes, it is. She paid for it. Giving her real scalp realness. Something easy and breezy. Baby hair approved. Not too many swoops, but Check your girl out. Make sure you go on www.officialposhhair.com. If you want to get slayed by your girl, Taneasha Hines, I got you. I got so many different alopecia solutions. So make sure you get the solution that is best for you. Until next time, my beautiful dolls and divos, always put yourself first. Ow.